Good evening. For the entire country, we have only one constitution, and that constitution is called Constitution of India. And one of the articles in the constitution under part 4, which mentions about the directive principles of state policy, it mentions about the uniform civil codes. It means there should be common law for all the civilians, all the people in the country. Meaning, with respect to marriage, with respect to divorce and property, there are different laws for the different religions. Because that was the necessity at that particular time, it was permitted. But it has been mentioned in the constitution under article number 44 regarding uniform civil codes. But for this purpose, you need to make the laws. Our legislatures must make the laws, implement them, and see that these separate laws for separate religions will be removed. But unfortunately, starting from beginning till now, this effort was not successful. Though the central government tried sometimes, it had to take a back step because of the various reasons. Today, that uniform civil code is very much there in the news because of the state called Uttarakhand. So this is because immediately after taking oath again as a chief minister has made it very clear, as he promised earlier, that he will be constituting a committee to look into uniform civil code in Uttarakhand. He has announced the committee, and the committee will start working. If everything goes well, there will be uniform civil code that will be implemented in the state of Uttarakhand. Kindly remember, till now, Goa is the only state where you have uniform civil codes. But now, this is the Uttarakhand. Probably Uttarakhand will also be implementing uniform civil code soon. And when it comes to Supreme Court also mentioned about article number 44 during its various judgments. Like in the year 1992, Supreme Court commented saying that Article 44 remained as a dead letter, meaning this is one article that is very much present in the constitution, but it has never been used. And similarly, very recently also, in the year 2019, again the Supreme Court reiterated the same thing. Article 44 has never been used so far. And now Uttarakhand has come forward. A committee has been constituted with various experts, and probably in Uttarakhand there will be uniform civil code soon. Regarding that, I have information and I would like to share that information with you. Kindly have a look at this. Now, so please remember the article number in the constitution, article number 44, uniform civil code. Uttarakhand Chief Minister in March 2022 approved the constitution of a committee to implement UCC in Uttarakhand. Very, very, very important. Which is the state, Uttarakhand, name of the chief minister, that is very important. And article number 44, that is also important for the examination point of view. The decision was taken in the first cabinet meeting of Dhami 2.0 after taking the oath. The committee will be formed at the earliest, and uniform civil code will be implemented in Uttarakhand very, very soon. Look at this. It will be a significant step towards fulfilling the dreams of the nation's founding fathers who framed our constitution. Meaning, the founding fathers mentioned about uniform civil code and added under directive principles of state policy under article number 44, but that remained as a dead letter as commented by Supreme Court in the year 1992. Next, this step will be an effective one towards Article 44 of the Constitution, which presents the concept of equitable law for all the citizens of the society, regardless of their religion. When we are all one, when we are all the citizens of India, why should there be different laws for different religions, even on certain aspects? In order to remove that one, in order to promote more equality in the society, implementing UCC is a must according to so many people in the country. And these are the people who are favoring implementation of article number 44, implementation of a uniform civil code as soon as possible. Look at this. When it comes to the Chief Minister, mentioned from time to time that the Supreme Court has underscored the BJP government in Uttarakhand will deprive inspiration for the decision from Goa, which has set an example before the country by implementing the common civil code. As I told you in the beginning, currently Goa is the only state where uniform civil code is being implemented. Now, the Chief Minister said that as soon as BJP government takes oath, a committee which will include retired judges, noted people from civil society, experts and others will be formed to prepare a draft of UCC. This is the promise that was made by the Chief Minister before the election. Now he is going to fulfill it. He also added that implementation of this will cover all aspects. Look at this. Whether it is related to marriage, inheritance, divorce, or other issues, irrespective of which religion they belong to. Very, very, very important one. And what happened in the year 2019? A Supreme Court bench commented on the matter, then stated, whereas the founders of the Constitution in Article 44 in Part 4 dealing with the DPSP had hoped and expected that the state shall endeavor to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territories of India. This is the dream. This was the expectation. This was the aspiration of the founding fathers of the Constitution. But Supreme Court said, till date, no action has been taken in this particular regard. Very, very, very important one. That is the reason why, the Chief Minister is in a hurry and the Chief Minister wants to go ahead with the constituting a committee. And once the committee submits its recommendations, there will be uniform civil code in the state of Uttarakhand. So that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next session and I wish you all a very, very good luck.